Yo guys! Can I be your favorite streamer now? In this video, we will cover how to build your own Arduino device for aimbot effects in games. But before we made the cheating effect, I'd like to introduce you guys to what the Arduino does and how it works. First, Arduino can be used alone to implement aimbot cheating, and it can also be used in combination with DMA cheats. This means that, apart from your headphones, every other device connected to your computer could be disguised as a legitimate one, while actually being controlled by third-party hardware for cheating purposes. And if you want, you can also use Arduino to do some programming, or make some interesting FPGA toys. Tools are never inherently good or evil. It's the hands that wield them that make the difference. Code can build bridges or craft malware. AI can heal diseases or spread disinformation. The line between light and shadow lies in human intent. Technology is like an unwritten stele. Its meaning is carved by those who hold the chisel. That's why I'm making this video. I want more people to know how amazing Arduino programming is. Even to the point of making it work with the DMA cheats, you can consider this a deep dive science story time. May these insights spark your curiosity and happy discovering. If you're looking for the whole pre-built DMA hardware package with Arduino, you can purchase one on our Sugargoo or Taobao store. At the times of this video, all of our products made from China factory. The Discord link in the description. In this case, the first item is the Arduino Leonardo board. The Arduino Leonardo board is the root and foundation of all aimbot effects. The second item is the USB host shield. For the USB host shield, if you buy from AliExpress, you might cannot figure out because there have a lot of USB host shield look like differences. The next item is the CH340 module. Make sure it's USB to TTL protocol, don't buy the wrong one. Lastly, we have 3 breadboard jumper wires. These cable must be male to female for this application. Just making sure there are no mistakes. I've compiled pictures of the different DuPont wires here. This is a white Type-C cable that came with the Arduino build. You can just get any Type-C cable that charges your cell phone and it will work anyway. Let's go to next steps. We need to install these hardware together. Now let's connect the DuPont cable to the CH340. I've written the names of the 3 ports that need to be connected to the CH340 on the screen. You just need to follow me and connect them. I've already connected them. Make sure that the cables you purchase are male to female. The port name is TXD, RXD, and GND. Now we need to connect the USB host shield on the Arduino board. You can see all these densely packed pin ports on it. Just make sure side by side matches all the ports. Just do what I do and then press it down. Stop here a second. Before proceeding, please note that if your USB host shields purchased from AliExpress or similar platforms typically come unsoldered, you'll need to solder the components manually. If you think too cumbersome, you can consider purchasing our pre-built Arduino kit from our Discord server. We ship it fully assembled and ready to use. Now, I'm going to show you how to solder your USB host shields. If you already purchased from DMA sellers, you can skip this clip to next step. Now, for those of users who purchased hardware through Amazon or similar platforms, I believe you've already solved the USB host shield. Now let's install the CH340 module on top of the USB host shield. To give you guys a clearer view, I've moved the camera closer. Here I'll put a photo so that you can understand the exact location of the port more clearly and avoid mistakes. This is the step where most people make mistakes, so don't screw it up. The red font corresponds to the red line, the blue font to the blue line, and the green font to the green line. After connect them, just like this now. Now unplug your mouse cable from your PC case and plug your mouse cable into the Arduino's USB slot. Whether you have a wired or wireless mouse, it's the same thing. After plug the mouse cable into the Arduino USB slot. Now you still have a Type-C cable. We need to plug it into the Type slot, which means it underneath the USB port. Now all the cables for the Arduino and other hardware are connected. Let's connect it to the DMA cheat case. First of all, you don't need to plug your mouse into both PCs anymore. It will stay in the USB host shield. Then please connect the CH340 module to your second PC USB port. After done, connect the Type-C USB port to the main PC USB port. Please follow the written instructions in the picture. It is important to note that they all need to be connected to the PC's USB port. Now open your second PC device manager. You will see a device name, USB serial, CH340. This is your Arduino device. Now all you need to do is install the firmware and it's ready to start cheating. I'll flash in my customer firmware here. You can get the firmware for the Arduino from your dealer. If it's pre-built, then the firmware should be free. The Arduino flashing firmware usually takes about a second to complete. Now it's flashed in and done. All you need to do is open your software and enter the pairing parameters for the Arduino in there, and it will match and work. I'll demonstrate it here for rigor's sake. As you can see, here both Arduino and DMA have been successfully recognized. Can I be your favorite streamer now? Also, let me show my DMA sets here. Thank you guys for watching how to set up Arduino and DMA tutorials. If you still have questions, welcome, join our Discord community to ask. We are here, free to help.